SciCuriousID presents a journey into the most mysterious objects in the cosmos. What if you could actually fall into a black hole? It's a question that has fascinated scientists and science fiction writers for decades, pushing the boundaries of our imagination. Would you survive long enough to witness the secrets held within its depths? Or would the very fabric of physics unravel your existence, tearing you apart at a fundamental level?
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Seluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
The reality of black holes is not only stranger than any science fiction tale, but also possesses a profound and unexpected beauty that challenges our understanding of the universe. A black hole begins its life when a truly massive star, having exhausted its nuclear fuel, can no longer support itself against its own immense gravitational pull and collapses inward. Its entire colossal mass becomes compressed into an infinitesimally small, incredibly dense point known as a singularity. This singularity is then enveloped by an invisible, one-way boundary, the event horizon. Once anything, even light itself, crosses that event horizon, escape is utterly impossible. To the universe observing from afar, the star simply vanishes, leaving behind only its gravitational signature. Black holes exhibit an astonishing range of sizes. Some are merely a few kilometers across, born from individual stars, while others, residing at the hearts of galaxies, are supermassive, containing millions, even billions, of times the mass of our Sun. If you were to embark on this perilous journey and fall towards a black hole, the extraordinary laws of Einstein's relativity would immediately begin to govern your experience. From your personal perspective, time would continue to flow normally without any noticeable change. However, to distant observers watching your descent, you would appear to slow down dramatically, your image stretching and fading as if time itself were grinding to a halt precisely at the event horizon. This isn't merely an optical illusion or a trick of perception. It's a fundamental consequence of strong gravitational fields, where time itself genuinely slows down. The effects are so extreme that a single second experienced near a black hole could correspond to hours, years, or even centuries passing for those far away in less intense gravitational environments. As you continue your descent, drawing ever closer to the black hole's core, the gravitational pull on your feet would become vastly stronger than on your head. This extreme differential force would stretch you vertically and compress you horizontally, a gruesome process vividly termed spaghettification by scientists. Long before you could ever hope to reach the singularity itself, these immense tidal forces would have stretched you into a thin, elongated strand, far thinner than individual atoms, utterly disintegrating your physical form. Once you have crossed the event horizon, a point of no return, all possible paths through space-time lead inexorably inward towards the black hole's center. Within this boundary, the very roles of space and time are swapped. Moving forward in time now means an unavoidable progression directly towards the singularity, the ultimate destination. You would find yourself utterly unable to turn back, even if you possessed the will and means to try. Every single direction you could possibly move in would only serve to pull you deeper into the black hole's crushing embrace. Yet, black holes are not solely agents of destruction. They are also incredibly powerful cosmic engines, driving some of the most energetic phenomena in the universe. The vast amounts of matter spiraling into them form accretion disks, heating to billions of degrees and unleashing powerful jets of energy that can extend for light years, profoundly influencing and shaping entire galaxies. In a profound cosmic paradox, black holes, in a very real sense, create and organize as much as they consume and destroy, playing a vital role in galactic evolution. The groundbreaking first photograph of a black hole, captured in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope, revealed that iconic bright ring of light, the direct visual confirmation of light being bent and distorted by gravity itself around M87 star. This remarkable image is not just a picture. it's a tangible snapshot of space-time at the very edge of our current understanding of physics, a testament to human ingenuity and scientific collaboration. If, by some miraculous and currently unknown means, you could survive the perilous crossing of the event horizon, what you would actually witness inside remains one of the universe's most profound and tantalizing mysteries. Some speculative theories propose that you might emerge into another region of space-time, perhaps a theoretical white hole that expels matter, or even find yourself in an entirely different, parallel universe. Conversely, other theories suggest a far more abrupt and definitive end, positing that the fundamental laws of physics, as we know them, simply cease to function or exist beyond that boundary. Either way, the act of falling into a black hole represents a journey into the very limits of human comprehension, confronting us with the ultimate unknowns of the cosmos. So, to recap, what truly happens if you fall into a black hole? It's a complex and awe-inspiring fate. You would be stretched beyond recognition, your perception of time would be warped, and your physical form would be erased. Yet, your constituent energy would ultimately contribute to the vast cosmic cycle, potentially fueling the birth of new stars and galaxies. In the magnificent and intricate grand design of the cosmos, it becomes clear that even the most extreme forms of destruction are intrinsically linked to, and indeed feed into, the continuous process of creation. Curious for more mind-bending scientific explorations? Then be sure to subscribe to our channel and continue to stay curious with SciCuriousID, where we unravel the universe's greatest mysteries.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.